The new iPad Pro 2024 is generating a lot of buzz among Apple fans. Rumors suggest some big upgrades are in store. The most exciting news is that it might feature an OLED screen, a feature many have been hoping for. There could also be improvements to the Magic Keyboard and support for a new Apple Pencil. Additionally, it might come with MagSafe support and up to 2 TB of storage, making it the most advanced iPad yet. With talk of a new M3 chip and a better display, it could solidify its position as the top tablet. However, whether it stays affordable remains to be seen, especially if the rumored OLED screen raises the price. The much-anticipated arrival of the new iPad Pro is likely to happen in 2024. Initially expected to launch in March alongside the MacBook Pro M3, the release was postponed. Now, rumors point to a potential launch in early May, possibly around the week of May 6th. Previous reports hinted at a possible price increase for the rumored OLED iPad Pro, with speculations suggesting it could go as high as $1,800 for a revamped 13-inch model. However, a recent rumor from Digitimes suggests the increase might not be as drastic, estimating it to be around $160. If these rumors hold true, the new iPad Pro would be the first Apple tablet to feature an OLED display, a significant upgrade from the mini LED panel found in the most recent iPad Pro 2022. According to Laptop Mag's analysis, Apple's reported 50% markup from production to sale could lead to a substantial price increase for OLED-equipped iPad Pros. They estimate a potential price jump of $500 to $700, bringing the prices to $1,300 for the 11-inch model and $1,800 for the 13-inch model. Keep in mind, these estimates don't include the additional costs of accessories like the Apple Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil, priced at $349 and $129 respectively. If these rumors hold true, the iPad Pro's pricing would align with top-tier laptops and MacBooks, but it's important to note that these are just speculations for now. The iPad Pro is rumored to undergo its most significant design change yet with the introduction of an OLED display, expected to debut in 2024. Speculations suggest a March release for the new OLED iPad Pro, available in 11 and 12.9-inch versions. The shift to OLED technology promises crisper, brighter displays with more accurate color reproduction compared to the current mini LED screens. Additionally, there are reports of the 12.9-inch model being upgraded to a 13-inch screen, a detail corroborated by various sources, including display analyst Ross Young. However, the 11-inch model is not expected to see a size increase. Recent discussions suggest that the upcoming iPad Pro models might be lighter, thanks to the slim OLED display tech, with dimensions estimated at around 249.7mm by 177.5mm by 5.1mm for the 11-inch version and 280.6mm by 214.9mm by 6.0mm for the larger one. There's also buzz about a new glass body that could enable wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. A leak hints at thinner bezels, around 7.12mm for the 11-inch and 7.08mm for the 12.9-inch, making them 10 to 15% slimmer than previous models. The iPad Pro 2024 is rumored to feature the powerful Apple M3 chip, poised to set a new standard for tablet performance. Built on TSMC's 3nm process, the M3 promises significant enhancements in both efficiency and speed compared to its predecessor, the M2 chip. While the current iPad Pro with the M2 processor is impressive, the M3 chip could mark a significant leap forward in performance. Alongside the upcoming iPad Pro, reports suggest that the Apple Magic Keyboard will undergo an update. According to Gurman, Apple aims to enhance the peripheral to give the iPad Pro a more laptop-like appearance with a larger trackpad. The trackpad may also receive an aluminum finish to match the aesthetics of Apple's MacBook Air and MacBook Pro, enhancing the overall feel of the iPad Pro 2024 and its premium keyboard accessory, making it more reminiscent of a MacBook. Additionally, rumors indicate that the new iPad Pro will support the speculated Apple Pencil 3, offering an exciting opportunity to experience the new OLED panel with an updated version of Apple's iconic stylus. If the rumors are accurate, the iPad Pro 2024 could mark the most significant update to the lineup in years. With the potential addition of an OLED display, wireless charging, and the powerful M3 chip, along with a sleeker Magic Keyboard and support for a new Apple Pencil, it promises to be a game-changer. The rumored relocation of the FaceTime camera to the side adds to the anticipation for what's to come. What are your thoughts on these exciting rumors about the iPad Pro 2024? Share with us in the comments section below. And of course, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like and subscribe icon for more awesome content in your feed.